The results are in. Here's our best broker for beginners for 2026. How do we rank brokers? Our analyst team debated, tested, and verified every detail across more than 100 top-tier regulated brokers, covering more than 60,000 data points to identify the very best in the industry.
Colorful screens with big buttons on subpar infra? Not enough. For this category, we looked for brokers that truly make you commit to investing. The best stock and ETF fees, a top-notch mobile platform, and great overall service. Smooth account opening, solid customer support, fractional shares, and competitive cash interest all added extra weight.
And after all the testing, debate, and data crunching, we have the winner.
The best broker for beginners for 2026 is Trading212. Trading212, active since 2004, is the ultimate sweet spot for beginners. You get free stock and ETF trades, excellent platforms, and top-tier cash interest. They also offer Forex, CFDs, and crypto. On top of that, account opening is quick and there are no withdrawal or inactivity fees. Perfect for anyone just starting their trading journey. For other great brokers, check out our updated list of the best brokers for beginners by clicking on the link in the description or by Googling Best Brokers for Beginners BrokerChooser.
If you don't want to miss our award announcements, click subscribe and set notifications for our content in the BrokerChooser YouTube channel. See you next time!